Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the edit mode and the object mode. When you place an object in Blender, it comes with the scene in object mode and it is selected as shown in orange color. There are basically two states in Blender, that is the edit and object. Edit mode is intended for modifying the shape of the object, and object mode is mostly for transformation purpose. Edit mode uses the vertices, edges and faces to make changes to the object. Now to jump from edit mode and object mode or vice versa, just press the tab key on the keyboard. And here we have jumped to edit mode. And to come back to object mode, again the tab key. And then we come back to object mode. Now one important point that I would like to make is that always avoid creating objects in edit mode. This is because whatever you create in edit mode will be linked to the previous object. I will show you by taking another cube. Let me place my 3D cursor here, and remember that now we are in the object mode. We'll go to create another cube, and here we have two cubes. So in object mode, these won't be linked to each other. We can move it in separate direction, scale it, and this won't affect the second cube. Now again select the main cube and now toggle to edit mode. You can toggle to edit mode from this selection menu also. You can click on this tab and then go to edit mode. Now we'll place our cursor here and create one more cube. So remember, I told you that whatever you create in edit mode will be linked to the previous object. So the previous object selected in edit mode was this cube. Now let us jump back to object mode by pressing the tab key. And now if I move this cube, even this cube moves. That means these two objects have been linked. Increasing the size of the first cube will increase the size of the second cube. This linking will be useful in the coming lectures. But for now, remember that whatever objects you want to create, always create in object mode so that you can avoid linking of objects.